What's going on? What's going on? What's going on, guys? It's your boy Tay, and today, we're about to clean something. We're about to clean today because I have an item that is extremely sticky, dirty, but it is extremely valuable. If you know anything about me on this channel, if you're new, by the way, my name is Dante. Welcome to the channel. I am a reseller. I like going to different stores, making money, and just talking about how to make money, because a lot of people, we don't know that we can go out there and grind on our own and don't have to go work for somebody else. We can work for ourselves and put that same energy and time that we're working for somebody else into ourselves and be pretty successful. All it takes is just a little bit of drive. And with all that being said, sometimes we run across items at these yard sales, thrift stores, Goodwills that need to be cleaned. I personally leave them behind majority of the time, but this item, I knew it was worth profits. If you've seen the video, you would know that I bought this item right here for $1, just a simple dollar, but you can see how dirty it is. It's really, really, really dirty. It's really, really sticky. With me even touching it, it's just extremely, extremely sticky. But this is worth $98. Yes, around $98, anywhere between $80 to $90. Could get 100, or I probably won't. So we're just gonna say like around $80 to $90. And I only paid $1 for this at a yard sale. Yeah, $1 into 90 something or 80 something that quick. But the problem is we're not gonna get $80 if it's looking like this, all sticky, icky, ooh wee, and all that other good stuff. So we're gonna clean this item. And I do have two different things that I'm going to clean with. I'm probably going to clean one side with one and then one side with the other, just to see which one does the better job of actually cleaning everything. But yeah, so we do have Goo Gone. Everybody knows about Goo Gone. If you watch the channel, and if you are old school vet of the channel, I'm talking about like old school vet when I first started like 3 years ago. Dang, 3 years. Yes, almost 3 years. So yeah, 3 years ago, I used to talk about Goo Gone, but I hate just having to open it and getting it out and putting it on something and having to wipe the product down. So they got these TacAways that you can literally take the pack, open the pack up, and just rub it and wipe it down. But the only problem with that is like it's wasteful because we're using a lot of waste. And I don't know why I'm getting older in life and somehow I became conscious of like the things that I'm doing to the earth, wasting energy and stuff like that, just trash and things and whatnot. So I try to put less junk into the earth as possible. But sometimes I fail. Sometimes I do fail. So with that being said, we're just going to clean this item real quick, see which is better, and see how clean we can actually get it, and see if we can actually make that full profit off of this item when we're done. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it and clean this bad boy. I hate cleaning stuff. I'm not even gonna lie. I really hate cleaning eBay items. Shoes. Normally when I find like good shoes and they're really, really dirty or something like that, I don't clean them. I just leave them in the store. Or if they're just like decent, okay, I'll still take a picture. And then in my description, I'm like, yo, if I clean these shoes, the price goes up. So yeah, just got to keep it real, got to keep it a buck, and people appreciate that. But anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and get to this clean, because I want to clean it so I can list it, because that $90 something sounds really, really good to me. Yeah, so do me a favor, if you aren't currently subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Make a comment in the comment section. Hit that like button. Do all that good stuff. We need that support on this channel. It definitely helps. It definitely helps. And yeah, so anyways, let's go ahead and clean this and see how clean we can get it. So we already talked about the Goo Gone that I have, the TacAway that we have right here, as well as... we didn't talk about a sock. Yeah, I have a sock. Don't judge me. I brought a sock along on the mission so I can clean the stuff with, just because the cloth in the sock is really, really good. So it's going to help me when I use the Goo Gone. But I'm going to use the TacAway first, just because, it's the easiest. And I'm going to actually try to pick the dirtiest side. Like, do y'all see how dirty this thing really, really is though? Like, it's just extremely sticky. So hopefully we can even get it clean at all, because it's not a promise that we're going to get it clean. And we're definitely going to need more than one of these TacAways. And I am not a sponsor of either one of these items, so don't think that. Oh, this thing's so extremely sticky. So let's see if we can just get it started. And immediately, I don't know if you can tell, but immediately you can just see a difference. And that is going to make me happy. I'm not even going to lie. Immediately you see a difference. I was worried about this thing because this thing was dirty. I don't think y'all look at that. Oh my God. Yeah, I don't think y'all understand how dirty it really was. But then again, you guys can see how dirty this really was. Oh my God, this is, yeah, we might have to use a whole pack of TacAway on this thing. This thing was, boy, on its last leg. So, how many of these little TacAway things do you think I'm gonna need for this one side? My guess is 16. Yeah, my guess is 16. So, let's see if I can get this clean, baby. I'm talking about this thing is surprisingly working much better than I thought. And I'm sorry that I got the table shaking over here trying to scrub real hard. And with this TacAway stuff, like I really shouldn't even have to scrub this hard, but I think I'm naturally just gonna I scrub stuff hard anyway, so, you know. But yeah, we are definitely making progress in this bad boy. Yeah, that's one side. We're gonna use both sides of that thing. That thing's so nasty. I really don't think y'all understand how nasty this thing is, and I keep saying that, so hopefully it gives you an idea of how nasty it is. But we ain't no chump over here, you know what I'm saying? We don't mind touching this nasty stuff because they have stuff called soap, and we can go wash our hands. We want to make sure we get all them cracks and crevices. Oh man, look at that. Look at that. I'm going to try to use every bit of that. Yeah, so far, boy, that TacAway stuff did a pretty decent job. Pretty decent already. Like, this is making stuff look new already. And I use this TacAway on a lot of different items. I've actually used it on like plates before. I've used it on shoes, like some of the soles of some shoes, you know. But this stuff is dangerous. You can't use it on nothing that is like that has like a thin coating of paint, maybe like a super thin coating of paint, because it will eat right through it. I discovered that the other day when I was cleaning off one of those garage door openers with the TacAway. I realized that some of the paint was coming off if you use too many of them. So yeah, just be careful when you are. Yeah, that's a big improvement already, man. Already, I am satisfied. I'm like excited because I think I'm gonna make that full $100 now. And yeah, so yeah, that's halfway of one side. Yeah, that's so much better. I might not even need, what did I say, 16 packs? And then they put all this stuff somewhere. That's dirty, that's dirty. My hands are super sticky. Super sticky. I don't know if y'all can see just how super nasty and sticky it is. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, we might make about $100 out of this thing. Now I can make this thing look really good. Might have the best looking one on eBay. By the time we get done with this thing will look like open box. All right. So I think that's good for the TacAway side. Now let's go ahead and get this Goo Gone side. And with the Goo Gone, let's put on the glove. You see, I just pour right on the product. I ain't even gonna lie. Yeah, that stuff is super thick. I probably should have did it reverse sides, because this stuff don't look like it's working at all. Wow, look at that. Had to soak for a minute to go on, take a little bit more pressure to get it all off. Let me soak up all the stuff that fell, because we ain't wasting none of it, you know. And I can already tell that, yeah, all that black stuff is coming out. That's what we need, baby. a workout. Oh Lord, we done dropped all the Goo Gone on the floor. Let's soak it up. Oh, we gotta soak it up in the product. Oh man, see, I do stuff like that all the time. Yeah, I do stuff like that all the time. So, welcome to the channel. I am about to make the executive decision just to see, soak up some of this stuff with some of the old ones, just to see if this helps get some of that stuff off a little bit easier, because that stuff is a little bit hard coming off. And it does immediately. You can see the TacAway immediately is taking it off. And I don't have to like rub as hard as I did with the Goo Gone. So immediately already, we can see that this TacAway stuff is... Oh my, I did it again. So you can see the Goo Gone that I'm spilling. Obviously, we don't like it, so I guess me spilling it is okay, right? I just spilled all the Goo Gone on the table. But yeah, let's just go ahead and use this TacAway stuff for the whole thing, because it's cleaning with ease, honestly. Yeah. So I'm just gonna clean the rest of this, and then when I finish cleaning it, we'll show you what it looks like and the end results. Just got through testing it out. Don't know why I didn't test it out before I cleaned it, because it would have been really sucky if it didn't work and I cleaned it for no reason. But I just got through testing it out and it does work. And let's go ahead and look at the results of how it looks besides all of the mess that we made. Please don't judge. Yeah, it is an entire mess over here. I seem to do that. I can't do anything without making a mess. But anyways, yeah, entire mess. But this is what it looks like now. Isn't that a major difference? I mean, that is a major difference. And I did have to stop cleaning it as hard as I was, because remember, as I was talking and I was telling you, like, some paint can like start fading a little bit if it's too thin. And if you can see right there, you know, it did start to fade a little bit because I was scrubbing that thing. There was a piece right there that I thought I couldn't get out. You know, there's like a few little nicks right there that you can see that I really couldn't get out, but it's still in much better condition than it was. And the fact that it works makes me feel so much better. So with that being said, not too bad. And I'm gonna recommend the TacAway more than the Goo Gone, because you see the Goo Gone, it felt like I had to put more pressure and use a little bit more, even though I spilled half of it. Then the TacAway, I didn't use 16 sheets. I used what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 packs. So I used what, 12? Oh no, 6 pack. I'm thinking 2 come in a pack. So yeah, if I use 6 packs, I use 6. So I used 6 of the cloths of the TacAway, and it came off so super, super, super easy. I probably could have used less cloth, but I wanted to get this thing really, really clean. And yeah, but anyways, yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Nice and quick, and we're gonna make a nice little $100 profit, as you can see. Boom, bad boy coming on. 2, 3, 4 miles per hour. How fast am I? I can't see how fast my mouth talking. Does it tell you? 3 miles per hour. I don't know. But anyways, yeah. So if you can get some TacAway, guys, that's what I would recommend more than the Goo Gone. I guess this turned into a competition video. Yeah. So get TacAway, not Goo Gone. Yeah. I'm gonna hit these people up like, yo, y'all need to sponsor me. But yeah. Anyways, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching the channel. And I've already thanked you, but again, thank you again. And yeah, that's it. Make sure that you bless somebody today, because I promise you I'm gonna bless somebody tomorrow. At this point in time, your boy Tay, I'm out.